Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I just wanted to do a review of this Graco SlimFit car seat. Tried a few different car seats out and this is my favorite one. I'll show you guys how to install it in my 2011 Toyota Corolla. Again, there's not a lot of space back here, so these SlimFit car seats are great. You can fit 3 across. Basically, you're going to need to locate your mounts for it, which are just kind of, there's an ISO mount here and one on the other side as well. They're just little kind of hooks that you can hook the car seat into. And then there's a rear mount. Let me take you back here. You can see I lifted the tab on it. Behind the headrest there. And then I had to kind of cut a hole in my seat cover here so that I can put the rear latch there, and then I'll latch it to the bottom. But if you had it in the rear facing position, basically you switch it to front facing. Kind of there's a little latch here, and then you undo some of this kind of padding they have in there, and you switch this strap here to the forward facing, which is up there. So I'll kind of show you guys that there's a hole here where it'll come out, and you basically slide it up, keeping that strap underneath the red kind of bar thing there. I'll show you this a little bit better once I get it up through the hole here. Kind of see what I'm doing here. Just trying to get it to go out through that hole there. And again, you kind of keep sliding it. Let's see. Run into a bit of a snag here. There it goes. And then it will emerge out this side. And then on the other side, same thing. There's no bar on the other side, so it's a little bit easier. You're going to need to loosen it up quite a bit, I think. So let me loosen it here. Some of that Pop-Tart off of there. There you go. So there, and then on the back side, you undo this by pushing back on this, and then you'll have those 3 points of engagement. So let me go ahead and do that. I'll show you guys the final result. Alright guys, what I also learned is that you have to slide this middle part back down, and so that the strap can go all the way flush to the back. Otherwise, when it's in rear facing, it's often wrapped underneath this or through this loop here, and so you won't be able to get it installed that way. And then you also have to pull this side all the way over here so that you can get it around this strap on the right side here. So it should be flush with the back of the seat when you're all done. As you can see there, I got it down there, got it up there, and this thing is rock solid. This thing ain't moving. So again, really happy with this car seat. I like how the cup holders slide to give you a lot more space. Would you get on a tiny car like this Corolla, if you want to fit someone in this middle seat, all the space you can get is helpful. This seat is kind of, in my opinion, one of the only options if you have a small sedan. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you all next time. If you want to check out this car seat, I'll put a link down below where you can check it out. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Catch you all next time.